is the Rubik's Cube, all undone, and I'm about to do it for you. So what I've done here is the cross. Now I'm going to do the whole face. There you go. Now I'm going to do the second layer. And there you go. Blue, red, green, orange. Now, just need to get this cross, yellow cross at the bottom. Still kept my white and everything else around. And now what I've just done is layered these up so that the core lines up. Now I just need to get the corners in the right spot. It might look like I'm messing it up even more than I should, but in reality it's just this little last part fades, and now I'm done. I know a lot of y'all are saying, oh wow, she's Asian, she got it done, but really it's just algorithms, patterns that you have to memorize, and the fastest I've done it is like under 2 minutes, but I know that I didn't do it in 2 minutes this time because I was kind of like pausing and telling you what I was doing and stuff. But maybe I'll make another video and do it for speed. Hope y'all enjoyed.